Alrighty, here's where we are so far. Not complete yet, but getting closer. Let me get my light turned on here where you can see a little better. And we got this, as you already seen, down in here. This is rigged up. And of course, like a dummy, I went and cut the hole too big, so I had to put these shims under it, but that's going to bring it out right. And well, let's see, we've got the motor here. Nothing's mounted down yet. And down here, oh, get on down here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to be able to see it. But under here, there's probably no bite whatsoever. That's the hole I got cut in the tabletop so that can come through. And then the legs don't go all the way out here, which I'd rather they did, but and I could put one out there and probably will, because it seems like it's kind of top heavy. But we had to have opening here for the walnuts to come out, and if I put a shaker, I don't know, it can be over here, you know. So anyway, this is a very short little deal as to where we are right now. I don't know how good the light is, but that old motor there ought to be good enough to pull that real easy. I don't know what horsepower it is, but it's not little. Anyway, that ought to work for that. And this is that. And table so far. And a mess all around here where I been sawing and making a big mess. This shed is not big enough to store anything and try to work. I got my table saw over here, which is a real good saw, but it's on the big order, you know. And so anyway, that's about all we wanted to. I'm putting my stuff up. That's why this thing's panning all over the place. Anyway, that's the gist of it for now. Just a little short little thing, just for the progress. So it's probably like part 2, and maybe next time we'll try to grind some walnut or crack some walnuts. I don't know. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. That's it for now.